You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, LED headlights, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, privacy glass. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.